Alright, so welcome to the Harbor Freight Tool Challenge. This is a thing that my dad offered to me and my brother to help us out. We're both trying to get our YouTubes up and going, and he said he would buy me and him both a saw of our choice, and he would let us keep it if we completed his challenge. And his challenge was that we would make three 10-minute videos about this saw. And I'm going to do my best not to bore you and hopefully go over everything in this without making them too long. So let's get this thing opened up and see what we're working with here. A 9-inch benchtop bandsaw. I'm going to flip this box over. I'm going to show you what all's in it. This is everything that it comes with. Alright, this is good for cutting most hardwoods and softwoods. Powerful 1/3 horsepower motor, heavy duty aluminum table, tilts 45 degrees with rack, pinion adjustment, 2-wheel design, accommodates 62-inch long blade, 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch wide, cuts stock up to 3 5/8 inches thick with a 9-inch throat. Okay, so I'm not sure what the throat is. But I'll figure it out. All right, let's get this thing open. All right, so this is the little table. We'll get everything out, and then we'll go over what all we got here. All right, so we got it out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this plastic off of it. All right, so we got it out of the plastic. Let's go ahead and put the table on. Or actually, first, I'm gonna tighten this blade up because the blade's in there, but it's not in the track. See, and not in the rollers. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So you see up inside here, there's a roller. It needs to go in. And there's another roller down here that needs to go in. So you get it in between these rollers. Oops. This roller and this roller. Get it along the wheel. Make sure you got it on this up here, and then you tighten this up. I can't do it while I got the phone or the camera in my hand, so let me get you set back up. Alright, so I was messing with it there for a minute because I was turning this knob, which says blade tension. I was turning it, but nothing was happening. This wasn't moving at all. Well, to tighten it, you got to engage blade, and then you can release blade. And I'm guessing that's just to change the blade. But first thing you need to do is flip this up before you can tighten your blade up. So now it's tight. I don't know if it's tight enough, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the table on. All right, so on the bottom of this table for this thing, there's a wing nut right there, right here, and that's what's blocking the slot from letting the blade slide in. So we got to take this out. Gotta go in from this side. As you can see on this wheel right here, there's gears. There's a gear on that. And then on the bottom of our shelf, there's a gear here. So I got to get that gear on this knob here lined up with this. And then these two dowels right here, there's one here and one here. They need to go in this slot. So let me work on this here, and because I just tried it and I was having a little bit of trouble. So, alright, so before we get any further, yeah, you can see under here, see this knob? It must be spring loaded, it slides out. So, got to pull that out, I believe. Get this down in there. Well, I just wonder if it would have been easier to do this without the blade on. Oh, okay. So you just got to pull it up in an angle. So that sets right in there like that. Get the two dowels in the slot. And this will let you adjust your angle of your table, which it's not bolted down yet, so just give me a minute here. This little lever to come with it, and this washer. It's going to go right here. This is what's going to keep tension against that. That's what's going to keep tension in here. So you get your angle set. You can loosen this, and you can move your table. Now that's 90 degrees, I believe. It should be level. And then you just tighten this up. Then your table's level, or your table's secure. Okay, so it says that this blade should just tension under finger pressure. It should just move a little bit under finger pressure, which it is, and feels pretty tight. There we go, a little more. I don't want to break it. Okay, so let's plug it in and turn it on, see what happens. I guess worst case scenario, the blade could come flying out, but let's just hope that don't happen. Make sure the switch is off. It's off. Plug it in. And then we have this to open package. Slip knife under saw blade. Because I'm pretty sure that these things will like spring open pretty fast. So we'll get this thing opened up. Step 1, slip knife under saw blade and cut plastic all the way around. Okay. Alright. Oh, I guess that's it. Well, I know what you're thinking. I'm doing exactly what I said I wouldn't do, and that's bore you to death. Well, the truth is, I'm not very entertaining, and I'm not good looking enough to just stand here and be entertaining. But my dad gave me a challenge, make a 10-minute video. If I gotta make a 3-minute video and a 7-minute staring contest, I'll do it. Listen, I want to tell everybody thanks for watching. Thanks for coming over. You're probably here from my dad's channel. If you are, thank you, and thank him for doing this for me and my brother. And if you do subscribe, I appreciate it. If not, that's up to you. But if you leave me a like, that'd be appreciated also, and a comment. Anything you guys want to see about the saw, which there's 2 more videos. The next video I'm probably going to be putting it together and turning it on and stuff. The third video, I am going to actually make something with it. So if you want to stick around and watch that, all these videos will be up at the same time. So as soon as you're done with this one, you can just go right to the next one. You don't have to wait till like next week, you know. So yeah, just stick around, and I'll show you. I'm gonna make something really cool when we're done with this. Video number 3, I'm gonna make something really cool.